Guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can simulate scan body temperature on your Motorola G13. So we have to start from opening the Play Store and look for the body temperature app. Now just install it and open. Then skip this window. And close that. Then go to the simulation section, and if you want to start the process, just hold the finger in this place. Now wait a second again to close the ad. And how you can see, this is my result. If you want to save it, just click on this button and configure it by the save. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.